Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Journey Diaries with Ashish. Today I am here at Kabban Park, the beautiful place, the heart of Bengaluru. Here I am gonna show you the beautiful Kabban Park. Right now the time is 6 o'clock in the evening. Here I am gonna first show you the outside. Here you can see the Tejas aircraft, Indian Air Force, that is made by HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So that's why it is placed here. You know why? Because in front of me, in front of the Kabban Park, you can see this is the HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited building. So that's why. And here I'm gonna show you the another. Let me show you. Yeah, this is demo. This is going to see here. You can see this display. It is digital. It is also showing how the Tejas aircraft, the other HAL aircraft is working, or everything, how they are going to take off, everything. Okay, leave it. Now I'm gonna show you the Kabban Park because I came here for the Kabban Park. So that's why. First, I'm gonna show you the outer look from the back camera and the nearest metro station, Kabban Park. After that, I'm going to take you inside. Finally guys, this is the outer look. You can see it's very beautiful. This is the Tejas aircraft. You can see the huge buildings. You know, every building in Bangalore that is made by Prestige Group. Here you can see the name Prestige. This one here again. They all are the massive buildings are made by the Prestige Group, or this is the HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Now I am going to take you the inside. We are stepping inside guys. Now let's walk with me. We are going inside. I don't know this is the main gate or not, but अब मुझे पता नहीं है तो मुझे इधर ही जाना पड़ेगा. Look guys, I think this is not the main gate, that's why it's not looking much attractive. Maybe this side, this is the main gate, or from this side there are left and right. Okay, let's go to the right side. Let's see there what we can see. Here you can see some vendors. They are just selling some girls item, jhumkas, chain. Here you can see you can have popcorn here. Oh, this is the I don't know, this is the main gate or like this is the main street or not, but I'm going this side. Let's see what we are going to explore here, because this is a new place for me. I hope you are watching first time, that's why you are watching my video. So maybe we are watching everything here first time. You can hear the birds chirping voice. I think it is kawa ki awaaz hai guys. So guys, I think Kabban Park was not my cup of tea, because I just took the wrong way. So I just talked with one of the lawyer and he suggested you just took the wrong path, and if you want to go the Kabban Park, then you have to go straight, then left, right. He told me lots of way. So then he suggested if you want to go, then this side you can see the Vidhan Sabha. Finally guys, you can see this is the Vidhan Sabha in Bangalore. Just see the massive architecture. It's very stunning and beautiful guys, and just see the trees, how it is looking beautiful among these beautiful trees. Just see guys, let me zoom for you. It is India's largest legislative assembly guys, or it is in Bangalore. Here you can see this is the Kabban Park area, or this is the Vidhan Sabha in Bangalore. Here I'm going to take you through this side. You will see here there are many tourist person, there are many Bangalore person visitors. They are coming here for photo shoot or for visiting purpose. They want to take the photos in front of the Vidhan Sabha, so that's why they are coming here. Okay, let me show you. If you want to visit this beautiful massive building, then you have to take the metro station. This is the nearest metro station, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Station, Vidhan Soda. So you have to take this metro station from where you want to come, and then you want to see this massive building, guys. It's looking very attractive. Let's go this side. I'm gonna show you from the front side how it is looking. You can see top of the building, you can see the Indian emblem, and you can see the Indian flag. Or okay, let me zoom what is written. I think it is not visible in the camera. Let's see from this side. Let's go how we can enjoy in this beautiful area. You can see this is the road. This is the huge traffic in Bangalore. Let me show you. Oh my god. Here you can see the Bhimrao Ambedkar statue here. Let me go this side. From this side we are going to see this beautiful building. From here you can see, guys, this is properly visible. Let me zoom what we can see written on the top of this building. Government's work is God's work. So here you can see the Indian flag, Indian emblem top of the Vidhan Soda. It's very messy building, guys. So that's why it is famous. You can hear from many person in Bangalore. If you want to see any beautiful architecture, then you can come here in Vidhan Soda area. Here you can see there are many visitors. They come here for photographies. You can see this car. They are going to stop the car because of the photography purpose. This side you can see, that side there are huge crowd. They all are just taking selfies or photographies. They are here to watch this beautiful building. Here you can see the warrior. I don't know what is the name of this Maharaja who is just sitting on the horse. And that side you can see the Bhimrao Ambedkar statue. You see, guys, it's looking very stunning. And just see the weather. It's very cloudy right now. I'm just getting the cold air is coming towards me. Okay, let's go this side. What we are going to see and how people are enjoying here. So finally, guys, I entered in one of the place. I don't know this is Kabban Park or what is this, but someone told me that this is not main gate. This is very far from here. You come towards the Vidhan Sabha, so that's why you can see the beautiful structure. I'm gonna show you. Okay, let me show you first. You can see I'm just walking inside. So here someone told me that this is not a main gate. You are going to enter from the back gate. So I told him that okay, it's not my problem, but I wanna explore the Kabban Park. Whether it is main gate or the back gate, I don't care. So let's see. I'm gonna show you from where I just entered. So guys, now you can see this is the beautiful structure in Kabban Park. I think this gate is special, or it is made for me or for somewhere else. But guys, this is not Kabban Park. Again I'm going towards the main road. How foolish am I? I think I have to find out something else. You know, I just asked from one person where I'm going. Again I'm going the same place. So I think I have to go towards the different side. Let's see where I'm gonna find out the Kabban Park main gate. Or I think, guys, it is closed. I think I'm not going outside from this side. Sorry guys, this was my mistake because you know, this was the outer side of Kabban Park, and now I'm just walking on the road that is going towards Kabban Park. Here you can see something is written Karnataka Government Secretary Club. I don't know, it is a government or professional word that is not going to understand by me. Okay, doesn't mean. Let's go towards the Kabban Park because this is our main motive. Today my main motive is to find out the Kabban Park. Or let's see, I'm going to find out or not. But you know, I'm going to show you the different thing from the Kabban Park. You know, here I can see the Vijay Mallya's mansion or Vijay Mallya's Kingfisher Tower from this place. So maybe I'm nearby or I'm around the Kabban Park, or maybe I'm just going inside in the Kabban Park. And you know why it is very different? Because it is interconnected with government, like high court or all of things. So lots of government cars like Karnataka government cars are coming, so that's why it's looking very different. The new person who won't able to find out in a very first time, you know, because I just explored the Vidhan Sabha from here. I just explored the HL, but I'm not able to find out the main gate of the Kabban Park because I'm the new here. So that's why it happened with me. It might be happen with you because we all are human being, so we can make mistake. Again, I'm at the corner of the pathway of the road. Now I'm gonna show you what is this. Here you can see lots of cars, they are coming from that side, from this side, from this side, or this is Kabban Park. Already this is the part of the Kabban Park because I just watched a video on YouTube that this is State Central Library that comes under Kabban Park. But here I'm not gonna watch or find out or figure out where is the path from where I can go inside. So first of all, I think I have to stopped my video or not, I don't know. But here you can see State Central Library. This is the government library, comes under Kabban Park. But where is the main gate, guys? It's little hectic for me to find out. Here maybe you can see. Oh my god, guys, finally you can see this is the State Central Library of Karnataka, that is comes under Kabban Park. This is before I was thinking where is Kabban Park, then I asked from someone, then he told the whole area is Kabban Park. You are under Kabban Park, you are visiting in Kabban Park, and you can see here the massive roads. Cars are coming, bikes are coming from that side. Or this is the State Central Library. I don't know the history of this library, guys. Literally, oh my god, it's such a good thing for me that here I'm gonna show you what is the history of. You can find out. It's looking very stunning. You see the weather. Now I think I'm just entered in the Kabban Park. Let's go from this side, guys. This is my main gate. You can see, I don't know, it's very local gate. From here I'm stepping inside, but I didn't find any gate, so that's why I'm going from this gate. Here you can see right now the time is 7 o'clock, so that's why little bit it's getting darkness, so that's why I don't know anything is going to visible or not properly. But some people are watching towards me. See, oh my god, the massive trees here. It's not looking like park, it's looking like forest, guys. I don't know I should go or not right now. I should come here again in the morning time or not, because right now the time is 7 o'clock, or I'm just showing you everything. So it means it is darkness. If you are able to see everything, then you can watch. It's very good for you, good for your health, because we should watch, we should feel the trees, we should feel the plants, flowers. Or here you can see everything. Here, I can feel the smell. I don't want to say it is smell, like I can feel the fragrance here, like different kind of trees, plants, different species of trees, plants, flowers. So that's why here, wow, कि वो इतनी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है ना कि मैं कुछ बता नहीं सकता आपको कि कैसा मुझे फील हो रहा है. वेरी गुड, stunning guys. Here I'm stepping towards this side. What we can find out, I think there is no one except me here. So because maybe the closing time is 6 o'clock or 6:30, and right now is above 7 o'clock. So that's why, or maybe this is the Kabban Park area, but this side is not special, so that's why people are not going to visit here. But here, security I can see here, or I can see like some couples, they are just sitting inside the darkness. I'm not gonna explore them, so this is not my thing. But here you can see it's very darkness. Let's go this side, what we can find out. Just see guys, it's not visible in my camera, otherwise I will very fascinated to show you the beautiful place. Here you can see, if you are going to, it is not visible, but one couple, they are just spending their time here. Let's go this side, because here I don't think I can find out anything special. But the way, in the morning time, it is looking stunning. I don't know what I'm just find out in front of me. What is this, guys? They are just doing something. Here you can see some roads, they were just recording videos. So when I was just watching them from a little far distance, though, they were just looking like, I don't know who is sitting there. After that I find out there is a girl who was sitting. This is a very narrow way through we can walk, we can run in this park. We can say it pavement in English, a different synonym of narrow road, or like for the walking purpose. Here you can see the street light in Kabban Park area. Again, I don't know, this is not a main gate, but how I will go outside, still I don't know. Again I have to go this side. Oh my god, literally I'm very lucky that I find out a way here. So that's why I'm stepping this side. Oh my god, from here, this is the Kabban Park, and here from 2 meters far from this place, I already shown you the Vidhan Sabha. Oh my god, and I have visited this place. This is UB City, guys. UB City, you know, UB City, that is constructed by Vijay Mallya in 2008. It is a group of their business, or like it's such a big luxurious mall in Karnataka. I can show you in front of the this UB City Mall. If you wanna see the whole video related to the UB City, then you can see my blog. I'm gonna mention this blog in this video. And so finally, guys, I'm the outside of Kabban Park. You can see behind me, this is Kabban Park, and I haven't find anything interested in this Kabban Park. The normal park, I think this was the most I think I haven't visited in this park in a very proper time. Right now time is 7 o'clock, so that's why maybe I haven't find out the people here. But I can say that's why I think this is not a good time to make a blog. So I think it's enough from my side. Okay guys, so finally I have explored the Kabban Park, Vidhan Sabha, and the outer road of the Vidhan Sabha that is going to connect with Kabban Park, or that is going to connect with the UB City. I have explored everything here, but it will be the mesmerizing experience for me ever. This is my first time that I'm just walking through these roads, or I'm just exploring everything. So that's why it's very special for me. So thank you so much guys for connected with me, and for always stay tuned with me. I'm very 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 fond of you, and बहुत बहुत आभार आपका कि आप हमारे वीडियोस देखते हैं और मुझे इतना सारा प्यार आप देते हैं. अभी तक तो प्यार आपने दिया नहीं है, क्योंकि ये तो स्टार्टिंग वीडियोस है, तो आप मुझे जानते ही नहीं हो. बट इन द फ्यूचर definitely you will give me lots of love, and I will show you that yeah, I'm a good YouTuber, I'm a good influencer, I'm a good content creator. So definitely please watch my videos. We will meet soon, maybe tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, because nowadays I'm in Bangalore, so that's why maybe the tomorrow I will go at Adi Yogi temple in Bangalore. After that maybe I can explore the Nandi Hills here. So stay tuned with me. Bye bye. We will meet soon. Thank you. Bye bye.